Okay, let's go over today's stream, play a few clips, go to the charts, yada yada. Let's see what we got. The open up, give us some supply to sell down. I'm not sure what zone we'll react to. Okay, didn't quite make it where we wanted to sell. Now we're seeing weakness, so I'm going to jump on supply. That's just this first trade that we got into. We'll talk about that. Let's get a little specific. Oops. Breaking down where the first zone of buyers could be. Somewhere here. To form supply somewhere here. I'm talking about where I would want to add to my position. We go down pretty hard early, and then after lunch sometime we start just grinding up the rest of the day. So that was one of the days I was looking at. If we get a big push down, which we kind of did, there was a possibility just to grind the rest of the day. And this supply are right on top of each other. We have not broken these buyers yet. Until we break them, they're not broken. So wow, genius input there. But important. It's important. And this just goes over where we added our second position. That eventually got stopped out. So let's look at the charts, what we got. We thought, you're saying this area, because we spent so much time in it, we thought we could go through it. But like I said, buyers are there until they're not. So those happen to be the buyers today. We were trading to get a little lower. On the 5 minute on the right, we took a short off of this supply level. This supply here formed on this down candle. We broke structure to the left, formed supply. When we pulled back here, I got in. We got out one contract, 20 points. Had the rest of our position right here. On this break of the low of this candle, I aggressively added, this didn't form. That was just the first sign of supply forming, but I wanted to add to my position. My stop then was right above the supply, which that stopped us out of our position. We got one contract, 20 points, trying to add to our position that failed, and that stopped us out for like a tick of loss. Once we started finding buyers here, and this supply failed here, this was the last bastion in my mind that we had to hold if we were going to have a down day. It was a possibility we grind up for the rest of the day. So once we took that out, somebody asked about this upper supply we're coming into. And the reason why I didn't want to short anymore, why I thought we would go higher, is because this supply is originally this supply on the hourly. So it's retested once. And so it's weakened. It's weakened, right? So the probabilities are we go through it. And then at the end of the day, we got tariff announcements, but that was just quickly recovered. That was just an irrational move. I guess going forward in this administration, we should always have a stop on, because who knows when any announcement could come, right? That was like before market close. That was pretty surprising. I wasn't there, but surprised to see it. But at the end of the day, we were trading to go lower, found buyers here, and didn't really look back. Sort of right on the day, sort of wrong, but we always have to be prepared for those zones to have the market turning buyers. We thought it was going to go lower. It didn't. We flipped our script and read what price was telling us. Let me know if you have any questions. Tomorrow's Friday. It'll be a fun day, I think. So catch you later.